What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel and to another video. It feels so good to be holding the camera again. If you guys missed my last video, be sure to go and check it out. We did some Bondo work on our new bed and on a couple rock chips in the front. But today we're going to be continuing a little bit of body work. This is a large piece of the truck that needs some body work done. But when you run your hand down this door, you feel like an indentation right here. So I really don't plan on putting the side molding, the body molding back on. I think our paint's gonna come out too good and I'm not gonna want to put anything on it. I'll probably hardly stick my badge back on the paint when it's done, but anyway, I want to get this door as smooth as we can, of course, so we have smooth paint. Like I said in the last video, you definitely want this stuff to look good. Even if it takes a lot of time, it's so worth it. So this door, honestly, it gave me the hardest time it possibly could. So like the other side, it has this indentation in the door, and it was just really hard to get this smooth. Like you guys know, bodywork is taking a lot of time, and it usually does, and this is my first time, so as I do this, I'm kind of messing up and going back over and fixing it and learning as I go. As much work as this is, and as long as it's taking, I am enjoying this the most. I think this is like one of the first things I've like gotten into, but this is definitely really fun. I enjoy this a lot. So last night I stayed up pretty late to get this door sanded down and get the body molding off, trying to get this adhesive off. It is like glue. I hate adhesive. We sanded down quite a bit of the door here where we need to Bondo, and I'm really happy with how that door came out. So I think we just get to Bondoing and filling this little gap in. Alright, you guys, so we got this little indentation covered in Bondo, a lot of it. So what I did on the other side, when you run your hand down this door, you can feel some rock chips, some just like uneven. I don't know if someone tried to Bondo this already. Here you can see there's some rock chips that we're just gonna fill in super quick. And on the other side, I kind of reshaped the bottom of this because it is a little, what is that? Because on the bottom of the door, it is like a little, I don't know, it's a little whack, a little chunky. So we're gonna hit it with a bit of Bondo and reshape that a little bit too, and then get those rock chips as well.
it hits the ground and puts the wood. Wow! That's great. That's actually kind of hard. But how do you know this guy's blue? Are you kidding me? In the middle of his install. Every time. This guy's returning.
I know.
It's to go outside right now in the fall. It just starts to...
Alright you guys, so I wasn't expecting rain today at all, but it's been storming and raining on and off for a few hours, but it finally let up. So something I wanted to do before I go inside and edit this video was take my mirrors off and also sand those down, because we are going to be paint matching my mirrors. So we're going to go ahead and take the door panel off and get those mirrors out. You guys, we got that mirror off and we did end up having to take the door panel off. Obviously the mirror was connected. We didn't necessarily have to take the speaker out to take the mirror out, but to put it back in, that speaker will need to be out anyway, so it just made it a little bit easier to come out. So the next step is just to paint match these mirrors when we paint the rest of the truck, so they'll stay off, and we'll sand them down in the next couple videos or so. All right, you guys, so definitely make sure to tune in to my next video. That will be when we get the cab corners and all of that stuff here, so we can finish all of the body work and be ready to paint. So be sure to tune in to my next video to see all of that. So it's gonna go ahead and wrap up today's video. If you enjoyed, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the little bell so you're notified every single time I upload, and I will see you guys in my next video.